Hello my friends and welcome to this new video in our channel. Today I'm not going to show you one, not two, but actually 5 different apps that will make you up to $400 every single day over and over again. And you will literally do nothing. It is actually very easy and 100% free. And as always in our videos, we suggest methods and techniques that make you money worldwide. And actually you can cash out using so many different methods. PayPal, Skrill, MasterCard, Visa card, Nettler, etc. You can cash out literally using your favorite method worldwide. And the only thing you need to do this is your phone. And that is all. You don't need anything else. Literally nothing. No skills, no experience, not anything. Not even starting money. You will earn a ton of money using these apps on your phone starting from nothing. Of course, whether you have an Android or an iPhone, doesn't change anything. It works perfectly for both, and all you need is follow this video step by step and you will be ready to go and start making money starting today. Now here's a little warning. Results are not typical, which means that some days you are going to make a ton of money and some others not that much. But keep watching this video till the end because by the end of this video, you will discover the 5 passive income apps that will pay you to do nothing. Literally make from $100 to $400 even while sleeping. And I'm going to show you everything in this video. Now before we start, consider subscribing to our channel Wow Money. We help you make money online and build passive income streams from home. And turn on the notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Also, if you want to learn how you can make up to $500 every single day, just check our website wowmoney.net and you will learn more about how you can make money online from the comfort of your house. Now let's get started with this video. The first app that I will show you is tv2.com. So the concept of this app is very simple. You will just click play on videos that the app offers you and you will start making money. And the great thing about it is that you can do it using your TV, your iPhone, or your Android phone. And the thing is, you don't have to do anything else. So you can, for example, launch a video and let it running in the background while you're doing something else. You can do it while you are at work or at school or having fun or even while you are sleeping. Just let the videos running and you will get money for it. So what you have to do is just download the TV2 app on your phone and start generating money. And quickly, let's check the app on Google Store. You can see here, the app is rated 4.7 stars out of 5 from almost 230,000 people, which means that these people are actually satisfied with their earnings using this app and that it actually pays and it's legit. And once you download the app and link it to your device, you can enjoy all the different content that the app offers. There are literally so many YouTube channels in this app, so many videos that you can let running in the background and get paid for it. Now let's talk about the second app, which is App Karma. And you can see here that you can earn rewards playing with this app and it's absolutely free. And the thing is, you will get 300 points for just signing up, which means they will give you $3 when you first join the app. And here's the tip for you. Every single day, enter the app, go to your dashboard and click on claim today's reward because the app offers rewards every single day. So you do nothing. You just launch the app every single day and you will get daily rewards. And that's how you can make money absolutely for doing nothing. And also, in this app, you can earn achievement badges that will multiply your earnings from 2 to 5 times more. You will have basic tasks to do, for example, install 5 apps, watch 25 videos, etc. You just do these and your rewards will be multiplied. And one last thing about App Karma, which is why we consider it as a passive income app, is that you can actually refer your friends and family to use this app. And for each referral, you will earn 30% of their earnings, which means that if you have only 10 referrals and if your referrals make around $100 every single day, you will get $30 for each one of them, which means $300 daily for doing nothing. It's insane, right? That means you can get $9,000 every month. Now you know as well as I do that this is beyond the average salary, right? And once again, let's check it on Google app, and you can see it is rated 4.2 stars out of 5 from 327,000 different users. That is huge. Now, app number 3 is Cash for Minutes. And as you can see here, you can earn money by simply listening to internet radio broadcasts. And here you can see that they have weekly payments, which means that you can receive your payments every single week using different methods. So right here, as you can see, you can choose the speedy payments, either weekly or monthly payments, and cash out using bank account, PayPal, Bitcoin, and even Amazon gift cards. Once again, it's accessible worldwide. No matter which country you're in, you will be able to use this app and make money from it. And now let's go and check how it actually works. The first step is obviously download this app on your phone and sign up. And then link your phone number to this app. And then you can start listening to broadcasts and gain money from it. And this app also offers a bonus way to make money, which is referring friends. You can share your invite link with your friends and family, and you will get 5% of what they're earning daily. So if we take the same numbers as earlier, let's say you have 10 referrals and they make $100 each day, you will make 5% from each one. So that's $50 every day, which means $100 and $500 every month, which is great, right? You are not doing a single thing and you are still getting $1,500 every month, which is incredible, isn't it? And if you put your referral link in your different social medias and refer more people, that will make you way more money as well. And you have no limits on how much you can actually earn with this app. And now let's jump to the app number 4, which is Slidejoy. And basically, this app asks you to do nothing. All you do is literally install it and start gaining money with their advertisements. So this app will display advertisements on your phone, in the lock screen, in the home screen, etc. and you will get paid for that. I mean, we use our phones every day. We click and swipe left and right, but we are never paid for it, right? So this app gives you an opportunity of monetizing literally your everyday use of your smartphone. You just ignore the ads on your phone and use your phone as usual, and you will earn money from it. And now let's check it on Google Store. And you can see that it's rated 3.7 stars out of 5 from 100,000 users. So once you make the money, you can cash it out using PayPal, or you can donate it to these charities if you want. Now let's see the last app of today that will make you money for literally doing nothing. And that's Money SMS. Now, unfortunately, they only work with Android phones. But the thing is, you basically receive money for every SMS you receive. You can ignore the SMS, you can delete them if you want, you can do whatever you want with them. But the important thing is, each SMS you will receive will make you automatic money. Again, this app is 100% free and it is secure. And Money SMS also offers a referrals option. So for each person you refer, you will get 30% of their earnings. So that makes it the same as App Karma. You will be able to make up to $9,000 every single month from referrals only if you just have 10 referrals. And this is crazy, right? They are literally doing the work and you are getting paid big money. And you can cash out using different methods like Bitcoin, PayPal, web money, etc. So you have the choice that you prefer. And the crazy thing is, you actually will be able to withdraw money within 48 hours, which means that you don't have to wait weekly or monthly payments. You get paid every 48 hours, which is really cool. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, Wow Money. We post videos to help you make money online and build income streams from home. And don't forget to check our website, wowmoney.net, to learn more about how you can make money online and all the secrets and tips to make way more money from the comfort of your house. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.